Hey guys, welcome back in CodeSphere. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can implement followers post and followers total number of followers, total number of post, and I will also implement in this tutorial total number of comments. You can see that now it is showing 0 comments, and when I will go here and I will write something, and I will post it, and when I will go back, so you can see that there is 1 comments, understand, and it is showing completely visible. And when guys, now you can see that when you will open this. Vedant Sharma, and I have 2 followers. I will click on this followers TV, so you can see that you will be able to see the total number follower list. And this time guys, when you will come back here, and you can also see that there is number of total number of posts that is visible. And when you will click on this likes TV, so you can see that it will show you the list of users who liked your post. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you all these things, so make sure you watch this video till last and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. So without wasting time, let's start. Guys, first of all, here what we will do is you can see that this is our social media app project, and in this tutorial we are going to do a lot of stuff. So for this guys, we will start from this show user activity. So here you have to come first of all, understand, and now you can see that here you have to declare integer variable that is for post iv and post vv, understand. And then after this, what you have to do here is you have to come in this yeah just go below and check the reference. That here you can see that we have this reference for all images and all videos, understand. You can get this reference from this post activity where we are doing. So when you will open this post activity, so here you can see that we have 3 reference, understand. So this one is for all post, and these two are for particular post of users, understand, images and videos. So you have to copy this reference and then come back in the show user, and then you have to declare that integer variables post tv, post iv and post vv. So after this, here we can proceed. So after this guys, what here you have to do is that's a very simple process. Just keep this reference in your mind, db1 db2, understand. So after this, what here we are going to do is just simply copy this control plus c, and then after this you have to come here in this on start method, and then guys you have to simply paste that code here and change this reference to db1, understand. And then after this you have to do the same thing, and then here you have to give the reference db2, understand. So after this, you can see that we have this post number and then post number. So let me see the integer variable post iv post vv, understand. So keep this thing in mind, and now we can proceed. Yes, post iv and post vv. So you have to make this post iv, and this one post vv, post vv for video view. So here we are getting that data, so simply delete this line. And then after this, here you have to do is yeah, post tv. So for now, let me open this show user activity. Actually, I want to check the IDs again. So I will click on this text view, and here we have this post number tv, and post number tv, and then I will check the reference for that post number tv. So you can see that we are not having any post number tv, we have this post tv. Yeah, so guys, we can proceed here. I was just checking the codes because I don't want to create any problem. So after this guys, what here you have to do is just simply delete this whole stuff, understand. And what you have to do is simply first of all you have to write string, understand, and then write total equals to integer dot to string, and this time you have to add that post iv plus post vv, and then semicolon. And then after this guys, here you have to write post tv and post iv. Where is the post tv? Yeah, post tv dot set text, and this text is going to be total. Done, understand. So when you will do this, so when you will open the show user, so you will be able to see the number of posts that is done by that particular user, understand. So that is all for this show user. And one thing more, so after this guys, what here you have to do is just create activity, or create 2 activities. Yeah, one for showing the total number of followers, and other one is for showing the total number of likes. So because we will also show the number of likes, I mean list of users who liked the post. So click on this empty activity, and we will give this name follower activity, understand, and then enter, and then again click on this package and then new, and this time we will create for empty activity, and show, you have to write show liked user, enter. So guys, now basically we have two activities, understand. So after this we can proceed. So come in this show user, and then here you have to come inside this on create method, understand. And then guys, here what we will do is we will do a very simple thing. We will implement set on click listener, and for this you have to write followers tv, follower tv dot set on click listener, new, on click listener. And here guys we will use intent for that, as we always use intent equals to new intent, and then after this here, yeah, now it's okay. So guys, here you have to write is parent activity show user dot this, and then comma, and then we want to go on this followers activity, so simply write follower activity dot class and then semicolon. And after this here you have to write intent dot put extra, and we will pass a data that is called user id, understand. So after this you have to write user id, yeah, and make sure that is the user id which you are retrieving from here in this bundle. Yeah, we are retrieving it here, yeah, you can see user id, so you have to pass that user id, understand. So after this you have to write single line start activity then pass intent, understand. And then after this you have to copy this same thing from here, control plus c, and then come back in this fragment one, because here we also have followers tv, so we have to do the same thing here. So now here just come simply control plus d, and then here you have to write is followers tv uh, follower, what is the reference of the follower tv, text view, text view bio et post tv story add name et fragment 1. We are having a number of followers in this fragment 1, so what is the reference of this followers text view and id is tv follower f1. So why is it not visible, tv follower f1, so tv follower f1. So yeah, we have not implemented it yet, yeah. So for this you know what you have to do is just that's a very simple process, I forgot it. So here you have to write is follower tv, understand, and then come here, then after this simply control plus t, and then here you have to make this one followers tv, and then after this you have to write follower tv f1, and now we have the reference. After this we can write here is follower tv, now set on click listener on this, understand. And then guys, here you have to do very simple thing, and that will be just simply control plus d, and now here we will make this follower intent, and then here you have to make it follower intent, and just sorry for that, just remove these codes, or just completely delete this code from here, and then paste it. And then after this, sorry, not this, delete this code, and now you have to make this one follower tv f1, understand. So change the id and then come back in this show user, and then guys you have to simply copy this code from here, control plus z, sorry. So you have to copy this code control plus c, and then come back in this fragment one guys, and you have to paste the code from here. So this time you have to make this one follower, and then make this one follower, and here also pass that same follower. And now here you have to write get activity, and remove this from here, and then after this you have to write the uid user id whatever we are. So I think we should definitely have current user id, and I'm searching for that. So here you can see that this is the user id, so delete up, just declare here user ID, then go down here, understand, and then we can make it user ID. So here you have to give that value user ID, understand. So after giving that, so now you can see that we are having same function in both two activities, because show user also have a followers TV, and fragment one is also having a followers TV, understand. So now after this, what you have to do here is just simply come here in this show user, and you just need to copy these lines of code from here. So just simply copy this sorry, just come above here and copy this code db1, control plus C, go back in this fragment one, understand, and then you have to go inside this on start, and then guys after this just simply paste it here, and we don't have any db1 and post iv. So what here guys you have to do is a very simple thing. If we have to declare an integer, that will be integer post iv, done. And we also need a database reference. So for this, what here you can do is just simply document reference. We are not having any database reference, so for this, yes, what you can do is firebase database equals to firebase database dot get instance, and then after this database reference, then db1, then semicolon. So now we have this db1. So after this you have to give the reference for the followers, understand. So for this, what here you can do is mm, I think we are having the followers. No, we are not having followers reference. So for that, you have to open this show user again, and then guys here you have to copy one reference from this place. So you can see that we should have database reference for followers current user ID. Yeah, control plus C. So you have to come back in this fragment one, and then guys you have to paste that reference here, because we need the number of counts. So after this, paste it here, and just make this db1, and now we have this db1. So guys, when you will open this fragment one, so what it will do, it will simply retrieve the number of childs that it have, and then we can have this followers tv dot set text, and this time we will make that post iv. See, so guys, now you will see the number of followers in this fragment one, and you will see the number of post in this one. So what you have to do is here is just open this show user again, understand, and then you have to do the same stuff that I'm doing here. So you have to copy this both references from here, then control plus C, and then go back in this fragment one, because we also want to show the number of total posts. And now it's time to increase two more intent, two more integer, and then after this make this post 1, then post 2, and then after this for database reference you have to make it db2, db3, and then after this open this show user again, and then go back here above, because we need that reference for a particular post. So copy this code from here, control plus C, and then go back in this fragment one, and this time you have to do the same thing. So just simply come here and paste this one, and make it db2, db3, and that's all. And then after this you have to come here in this on start method, and then guys you have to make this one db2, and make this post 1, and you have to make this one db3, and just to make this post 2, and post 1, then post 2, and you have to make this one uh, post tv dot set text total, understand. So it will, what it will do is when you will open the fragment one, so you will be able to see the number of followers and number of post, understand. So I know that this stuff is quite confusing, but I will explain you that what I'm doing it here exactly. So I'm just using that database reference, and then I'm using this add value event listener, and then I will get the children count, and then I'm simply, what I'm doing here is I'm simply showing that number of post or childs in this text view, understand. That is a very simple stuff. You just need the reference and then value event listener, and then you will be able to show the number of post, understand. That is very simple stuff, don't worry. And you can get the source code by joining our membership. So please click on the join button and join the membership, then you will be able to get the source code, understand. So now we are done with this intent for showing total number of posts, and when you will click on this follower post, you will go on this follower activity. So in this followers activity, now we have nothing, so we can proceed with this. So after this, you can do is close this fragment one, close this fragment one, close this show user. Yeah, come in this followers activity, because we are going to focus on this one. So after this, guys, what here we will do is just you just need to do is make it yeah, linear layout, my favorite. And then, guys, here you have to make the margin, that will be 3 dp, and a little bit of padding, that will be 2 dp. Then after this, orientation, that is must vertical, understand. And then we here we are going to do is we will use a very basic text view, and that will be no text block. We will use a very basic text view, and that will be, let me delete this one. Yeah, we will use a text view, and that will be, I think, wrap content, and height will be wrap content. Text is going to be followers, and then text color, that is going to be Android color start, and then text size, that is going to be, yeah, 20 sp is fine, I think, or 25 is also. And then I think padding 10 dp, and then margin 4 dp, that's okay. And then close this one, understand. Then after this, here we will use a very basic recycler view, match parent, match parent, and then padding 2 dp, then margin 3 dp, and it will make it some little bit beautiful. Then id, the most important one, here you have to write rv underscore followers, and then close this one. So now we have a recycler view, and then we have a text view. So what you have to do is just simply click on this control plus a, control plus c, and then open this uh, not show user, you have to open this activity user liked. And then after this, you have to do is control plus a, control plus v, paste that code here, understand. And then you have to change this context, so pass show liked user, and change this followers to post liked by, that simple. And then change the id rv followers, so make this rv liked by, done. And then you can do is just yes, now we have this layout resource files. So now we need to create two files, and that will be for, click on this, then new layout resource file, that will be follower layout underscore layout, enter. And now you have to code in this, so come here, and then simply make this one card view, and that will be height should be wrap content, make sure always make the height wrap content. And here I will give the width match parent, and this time I will make the height 100 dp, I think that's or not 100, I think 80 is fine. Yeah, so guys, here now can see that we have this thing. And after this, here you have to write is relative layout, and that will be match parent, match parent, understand. Then close this one. So inside that relative layout, we will use very basic things, and that is like open this answer layout. Yeah, because we will need the image view, circular image view. So click on this, and then copy this card view. So those people who came first time to this channel may be thinking that I'm copying all that stuff and pasting continue again and again. So you have to join the membership, or you can watch tutorials from the beginning, you will understand everything. So after this, you can make this one 40 dp, and then make this one 40, and just card corner prevent overlap, I will make it false again, and done, boom, see. So and after this, you have to make this one 20 sp, understand. So now we have this. So after this, guys, you have to make the margin, and that will be margin 20 dp, that's fine. Yes, I think okay. So now we have this. So change the id of this image view, so make it iv underscore follower, understand. And then after this, here we will use one more thing, and that is, sorry, we will use two more things. So write text view, that will be wrap content, and text is going to be name, and ID will be uh, name underscore follower, and then text size uh, 15 18 sp, and text color, that will be definitely black, Android black, and then margin top, that will be 40 dp. I think that will be too much, 20 is fine. Yeah, and then margin left, and that will be 65 dp will be fine. Yeah, that's fine. Close this one. So now we have this, we have given the id. So after this, guys, you have to copy this text view, control plus c, and then you have to paste that again. So this time we will make the id, that will be profession underscore follower, and then after this you have to change the text size, and that will be 1413, but make sure it's smaller than the username, and then darker gray, understand. And this time you have to increase the margin top, that will be 40 dp, and for now we can do is yeah, so now you can see that it is looking pretty good. And you have to change this, make this one profession, understand. Yeah, so now we have this, we have changed the ids, we have given the almost everything, and then you have to make this card view, card corner radius, it should be 5 dp, and then margin 2 dp, that will be okay. Yeah, and you can also add some padding in case you want padding 2 dp, that will be fine. So after this you can see that we have this name, profession, and this. So now it's time for the last text view. So for this you have to do is control plus v, and then you have to make this one view profile underscore follower, vp for following, and then text size will be 20 sp, understand, and text will be view profile. So write view profile, and this time we are going to make this yeah, click on this, and take it to the left right side. Now it has 237. So what here you have to do is just make this 237 0. Yeah, 0 dp, boom. And now you can see that it is at the end, but not 0, you have to make it 5, that will be okay. And then you have to change the text color, and that is going to be remove this one and just write color, that will be start. Now we have this. So you can see that our layout file is almost complete this time, and yeah, you can see it's complete. Magic. So after this, what here you have to do is just simply you can do is control plus a, control plus c, copy this stuff, because we need one more layout file, and that will be for the user who liked your photos or videos. Layout resource file, user like layout, enter. Sorry, we have done something wrong. Remove this one. Yeah, click on this layout again, then new, then here you have to make this one user underscore like underscore layout, enter. Now we have this, click on this, then control plus a, control plus v, understand. So now I will tell you that things that you need to remove from here, understand. So what you need to remove, first of all you have to remove this profession. Yeah, because we will not show the profession in that activity, we will only show. So make this margin top 30 dp, it should be in the center, I think. Yeah, that will be okay. And then after this you have to change the ids of all of that stuff. So I think you have to make this iv underscore like list ll, and then this one should be also name underscore ll like list, understand. Then view profile underscore ll, okay, ll will be for like list. So now we have this ll. So that is a short form, you can understand when you will give the reference. So for easiness, understand, I'm doing that stuff. And I can do also one thing is that we can reduce the size of 80 dp. I think it's too much, so we can make it 60 and it will look pretty good. No, not look 70. I think 80 is fine. Yeah, so give it 80, that will be okay. And now we can proceed. So we have layout source file, follower layout, user layout. So now it's time to open this follower activity follower. Yeah, it's almost okay. So now we can do is open this follower activity, and yeah, So just before this, you have to open this profile view holder. Yes, because we need to create methods for set user like and set profile. So for that, guys, what here you have to do is, first of all, we have to create a method that will be uh, profile control plus C, and then you have to make this one control plus V, and this time you have to make this set liked user, and then open this one, and here you have to declare text views. We already have a lots of text views, so I can again give here text view that will be name ll view profile underscore ll, and name profile ll we only have two. Yeah, then after this, name f follower, and then vp follower, and then profession follower, and after doing this you have to declare the variable for iv. So iv underscore ll liked user, then iv underscore that will be follower. Now we have this stuff, we can proceed, and now you can see that we have this all set liked user. So image view, just delete this, and remove this stuff from here, and also this one. So make this one, you know, yeah, ll view profile ll, and name ll, and then here you have to make this one iv ll, and make this one iv ll, then name ll, and then vp. So you can see that when we have given the ll, so it's how easy it was for us to implement, and then you have to delete that stuff from here, understand, and then here you have to write picasso dot get dot load dot url dot into, and that will be ll again ivll, enter, and then here you have to write name ll dot set text, that will be name, understand. And now we have this set like user method. So after this you have to create a method for public void control plus v, and this time we will make it set follower, understand. And we are going to use this inside a fragment, I mean we are going to implement this method inside application, I mean inside activity. So make this activity, or if you are going to implement it inside fragment, then use fragment activity, understand. And then after this open this one again, and this time you have to do is delete that stuff from here, and then after this again same thing, delete that stuff from here, and just copy this 5 lines control plus C, and then come back here, and then you have to control plus V. So this time we will make it iv follower, yes, and then profession follower, then name follower. So here you have to write follower name follower, and then profession follower, and then iv follower. Yeah, so anything is missing, name profession iv, and yeah, vp follower equals to item view dot find view by id, r dot id dot vp follower, yeah, semicolon. And now we have this. So for this, after this you have to implement this profession follower profession follower dot set text, and that will be profession. So now I think we should have profession, yeah. So after this, guys, you have to open this request view holder, understand, and then you have to copy this stuff from here control plus C, and come back in this fragment. So here you have to just paste that stuff, yes. So let me remove this all stuff, and then I'm doing this because we will use request view holder in that sorry, request member in set follower activity. So that's why we have to do this. Understand? Don't worry, that will be okay. Yes. So now we have this method. So here you need to write is profession. See, now we have this profession. So change this to IV follower. Yeah, it may create runtime crashing, but that will be okay. You have to make this one follower name follower, and then professional follower, IV follower name, and then VP follower. Yeah. So now we have these things. So we have this method. We can proceed in this follower activity. So after this, guys, that will be a very easy part. So we will do is very basic thing. So first of all, declare recycler view, and then after this string that will be for user ID because it is a intent. We are sending some data using intent. And after this, you have to write database reference. That will be for database reference, and then after this, Firebase database equals to Firebase database dot get instance, and then semicolon. And then after this, here we will give the reference for that. So first of all, write recycler view equals to find view by id r dot id dot rv follower because it is for followers activity, then semicolon. And after this, we can do here is we will fix the attributes for recycler view, set as fixed size, then pass true inside that. Then after this, for linear layout recycler view dot set layout manager, then new linear layout manager, and then after this, parent activity follower activity dot this. And then after this, Android Studio plugin update recommended. बस यही तो काम है हमारे पास. Then after this, you have to do the stuff. We can write is yeah bundle, then bundle equals to get intent dot get extras, and then semicolon. And then after this, check that if it is null or not. So if bundle is not equals to null, then we can get the data, and that will be null. And then else part, we will show the error message that toast, and that will be error. So here we will drive that data user id equals to bundle dot get string, and that will be u because its value is u. Understand? So for now, what you can do here is we have to do the stuff. Yeah. So now we have this user id. So it's time to give the reference. So write database reference equals to database dot get reference, and that will be for followers. Yeah. So I think the best way will be is to open show user activity and then copy the reference because I think that's the best way for reducing the possibilities of error. So you have to copy this code from here, control plus C. So make sure copy this reference of child user ID. Understand? Because we will retrieve a data of a particular user. I mean, we will retrieve followers of a particular user. That's why. And now we have this stuff. We have the reference. So now we can proceed with Firebase recycle adapter. So for this, what here you have to do is any activity where we are retrieving the Firebase data recycler adapter. So for this, you can do one thing is open this fragment 4 और नॉट फ्रेगमेंट 4 फ्रेगमेंट 3 बिकॉज फ्रेगमेंट 4 में काफ़ी सारा डेटा यूज़ कर रहे हैं हम जो कि कॉपी करके डिलीट करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है तो इसलिए एक और कंफ्यूजिंग भी होता है इसलिए मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आपको आसान से आसान चीज़ें दिखाने की कोशिश करूँ तो इसके बाद हम आ जाएंगे ऑन स्टार्ट मेथड के अंदर सो गाइस नाउ हियर वी विल कम इनसाइड दिस ऑन स्टार्ट एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज सिंपली कॉपी दिस stuff from here control plus C and now just simply control plus C. So you have to copy this adapter from here and then follower activity and then write on start and then inside here uh, control plus V paste that code here and now we will guys remove the useless code that is not required. So just simply do is delete this one and then after this delete this one too and then after this uh, make this one get application. So guys here we have to change the methods. So we are driving it inside a profile view holder. So what if I will open this profile view holder profile activity? So profile fragment 3 in the fragment 3. So here I think I'm using profile view holder reference. Yeah, that's so guys, copy this one. In this fragment 3 you have to copy the recycler adapter for this one. Control plus C, and come back in this followers activity and just select this whole stuff. Sorry, Control plus V. So this will be easy, understand? That's why I'm doing that stuff. So after this followers activity, and then dot this. Sometimes I don't understand. Yes. So after this, guys, here you have to delete this method from here, understand? And now what is the thing that is creating problem? Database reference. So after this, guys, you can see that we have this all user reference. So here you just need to make it request member, because we are implementing its values. So copy this one and then you have to paste it everywhere. Control plus V, and then Control plus V, and then Control plus V. So now we have this. Delete this one. So now why it is creating problem again? So you have to so now we will retrieve the string current user ID equals to get item position dot get user ID semicolon. So here you have to pass that current user ID, understand? So why it is creating problem? Why it is creating problem? Request member Firebase cycler adapter. So just Control plus V. So now the error is gone, understand? So after this, what here you can do is you have to make this one VP follower, understand? And then you have to do nothing. That will be okay, I think. Yeah. So when the user will click on this, so you will go to the show user activity, and on this show user you need this three data to take with yourself, understand? And now it's time to implement yeah, holder dot set follower, and that is a method that we created just now. So here you have to write get application, because there we are using application. So after this, write model dot get URL, then model dot get profession, then model dot get bio, then model dot get privacy, then model dot get email. So then model dot get follower, then model dot get website, and that's okay. Get application, why it is showing error? So change first parameter in this profile view holder. So what is wrong with this first parameter? Yeah, not this, sorry. So here, guys, you have to write that application, then application, done, the error is gone, then semicolon, I mean comma. Show user, close this one, open this fragment activity. So now we have this sub file showing error. Create set follower in profile activity. We are already creating set follower application method. Set follower. Open this request view holder, name URL profession. You have to check the name URL profession. So here you have to write model dot get name. Now you can see that the error is gone. So open this and make sure the pattern should be same, you know, name, URL, profession, bio, privacy, email, followers, website. You have to give the same thing, name, URL, profession, bio, privacy, followers, website. Understand? Privacy, email, followers, website, privacy, email, followers, website. So when you will follow this pattern, so it will not create problem, understand, and your app will work absolutely fine. So now it's time to change this layout resource file. So this is going to be followers layout, boom. And then last thing here, after recycler view dot set adapter, and that will be Firebase recycler adapter 1. So now we have this adapter. So when you will click on that button for showing followers, so it will take you to this activity, and then here you are implementing this adapter. So it will show you the number of followers, and it will show you the list of followers who are following that, who are following you, or who are following that particular user. Then after this, it's time for this showing that likes stuff. So we can do is copy this control plus C from here, control plus C, and then go back in this not in this, close this profile view holder, no, not this one, fragment 3, close this one, and the activity follower layout. So now it's time to open this show liked user, and then here you have to paste that code here, understand, and then make this one not user ID, you have to make this one post key. And why, I will explain it just in just few seconds. So after this, you have to copy this stuff from here, control plus C, go back in this show liked user, and inside this on create, control plus V, and make this one post key, and make this one P, and make this one show liked user, and here you have to give the post key, understand. So now we have this stuff. Now again write on start. So and then after this we can again go back in this followers activity, and then guys you have to copy that stuff from here, control plus C, whole thing from here, control plus C, and then go back in this show like user, you have to paste that stuff here, and you have to change this basic things like show liked user, and boom, everything is same. Yeah, you know, no more changes, but this time you have to make this one all users, I think. Just wait for now. Yeah. So after this we can do one thing here is yeah, you have to open this fragment 4, because now we are retrieving the data, but we don't have any data in the database for now, understand. So that's why what you have to do is like write user like layout, user like layout, I think it's user like layout, yeah, that's okay. So now we have this method here, and open this show liked user, so you have to change this method, and that is going to be, so you have to write folder dot set liked user get application, then model dot get. So for now just stop with this process, because we are going to do one thing that is left for now. So open this fragment 4, and then here we will implement when the user will click on the button. So you have to increase one more reference, that will be for like list, yes. And after doing this like list stuff, you have to come here in this Firebase recycler adapter, where we are implementing set on click listener for this like buttons. So first of all, delete this stuff, so let me increase the size, yeah. So now you can see that here we are implementing likes functionality in the social media app. So for that what you have to do is yeah, so when the user will click on the button like, so what we will do is we will do very basic thing, write like list, it is a reference that we defined above just now, understand. Then after this you have to write database, then dot get reference, and that reference will be likes list, and then you have to write dot child, and that will be post key, understand, then semicolon. So after this here you have to, yeah, so that's why I was saying you to stop for that moment, because here we are going to implement user member, we are not having any user member, we have all users member, yeah. So write user member. So just because we are going to use this static class model class, that's why I stopped at that moment, because now we can, before defining that class, we cannot proceed with any random class, understand? So for now guys, what here you have to do is just simply write that user member, and just before this, sorry, one thing is left. So let me close this quotes which is not required. Yes, so here what you can do is that is our on create, I think, yeah. So here you have to write user member equals to new user member, all user member, semicolon. After this we can proceed. So come back here, and we have this reference for now. So you can do is write user member, then dot set name, write name, then user member, then set uid, write user id, and make sure this user id is retrieved just above here. So yeah, you can see that it is retrieved here, understand? And then the third parameter will be user member dot set url. Yes, user member dot set url, that will be url, and done. And after this, like list dot child, that will be user id, and then dot set value, that will be user member, and then semicolon. So when you will do this stuff, so it will create a child in real-time database, so that child will help us to retrieving data. And then after this you have to copy this code of line of code, and then come here above, control plus v, and then after this you have to write child, and that will be user id, and then here you have to write like list dot remove value, semicolon, understand? That's all. And then after this you have to come back here in this, and this time we will write tv, sorry, folder dot tv likes dot set on click listener, new on click listener. And this time guys, you have to do the same stuff, that we need to write intent equals to new, intent equals to new, and then again intent. And after this here you have to write because it is a fragment, so write get activity, and then we want to go in the show liked user activity, show liked user activity dot class, because when you will click on that likes tv, so what it will do is that it will simply take you to that activity on which we will show the list of the user who liked that post, understand? Then after this you have to write intent dot put extra, and then here you have to write the value p, and then we are sending the data post key. That's why I changed that value there, p. And then after this here you have to write start activity, then intent. So now we are done with this stuff, so you can come back in this show liked user. So when the user will click on this time, so now it's time to implement yeah, now we can make this one all user member easily. So control plus c, then control plus v, then control plus v, then control plus v, and then control plus v, done. Then last time control plus v. So now we have all that stuff, so delete that for now. And it is showing error, why? We will solve it in just few seconds, don't worry. So after this you just need to do is right here holder dot set liked user get application, and then after this model dot get name, model dot get uid, model dot get profession, model dot get url. So here we will retrieve the string current user id equals to get item position dot get uid, semicolon. See, now we have this uid. So when the user will click on that show light user on this view profile, so it will take us to the show user activity, and then you will be able to see the profile of that particular user. So now you can see that make sure let me explain you. Open this all user member, and make sure this pattern should be same, name uid profession url. So you can see name uid profession url, see. So make sure this pattern should be same, because these are the small mistakes that creates problem on runtime, and I don't want you guys to face that problem. That's why I'm telling you to make sure keep these things in your brain, and these are the small things that creates big problems, understand? And also don't forget to give the reference of recycler view, because here you can see that this is a show liked user activity and I'm giving reference for RV followers, so it will create a runtime crashing. So make it RV show liked user, RV liked by. So make sure keep these things in your brain, so it will definitely work, it will not create any problem, understand. And other things are absolutely fine. I think codes are pretty good. So guys, this time when you will run the app, so you will see the, yeah, and one thing that is left for now is yeah, open this fragment 4 guys, and here also this post activity, close this rest activities. Yeah, so close this rest of classes and activity because it are not required. Open this fragment 4, and now open this post not post activity, post view holder. So for now guys, here you have to increase the one more integer, and that is going to be just that is the last feature, comment count. And then you have to go down here, understand. And then guys, you have to just simply copy this stuff and then control plus C, and then you have to paste that here. This time you have to make this one comment checker, and final string post key, and you have to make this delete this like button, and make this one comments reference come above here, and then guys, close this one if and else, close this try and catch, close this method, and close this set post, understand. And here you have to increase the database reference, and that will be for comment reference, comment ref, understand. And comment ref tv comments, you can see that we have this text view tv reference. So for now we can open this post layout. So you guys can see that these small things are creating so much time, taking so much time to implement. So click on this comments, and here we have this tv comment post. So come back in this post view holder, understand. And then here you have to write tv comment equals to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot tv comment item, and then say semicolon. And then after this you have to come here in this comments activity. So open this comments activity because we need the reference. So you have to copy this reference from here, control plus C, and then go back in this post view holder. And then guys, you have to paste that reference here. So instead of this reference, write this, and change this to comment ref. And then what is this? Oh, let me remove that. So yes, so make this one post key, and then after this you have to remove that code from here, and then you have to make this comment ref, understand, add value event listener. So after this you have to just simply do is remove this stuff, delete if snapshot exist, and then remove this btn code from here, and make this one comment count, and make this one again comment count, and you have to write tv comment, then tv comment, and here you have to give the comment count. Then actually, guys, now I'm too much tired, that's why my sound is little bit slow. So after this you have to write comments, and then here again comments. So I think now our coding part is almost complete. Yeah, and then after this you have to come here in this fragment 4, and you have to call that method here, just near this holder dot set comments. So comments activity set comment checker, public void comment checker. Yes, comment checker, and then pass post key. So guys, now our coding part is complete. So this time when you will run the app, so you will be able to see the number of comments. You will be able to see the list of users who liked your post. You will be able to see the list of users who follows you. So when you will run the app, so guys, if you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you want source code, you can join the membership. Thank you for watching.